Why do most software engineers fail? Here's the twist. It's rarely about bad code. It's about bad expectations. When you picture a coding career, you imagine building the next big app, shipping features, maybe even changing the world. But the first boss fight? The interview. Suddenly, your entire career depends on whether you can reverse a binary tree in front of 3 people silently judging you like it's some dystopian talent show. Spoiler, the audience isn't clapping. But let's say you pass. You think you're in. You think it's all creativity and innovation from here. Nope. You open the repo and bam! Legacy code from 2012 stares back at you. Half the comments are in broken English. Functions are 400 lines long. You're pretty sure the previous dev was powered by caffeine and chaos. Then come the code reviews. You thought your code was decent, but no. Brian thinks your variable names lack emotional depth. Meanwhile, Jenkins is on fire again. It's always Jenkins. And here's the punchline. None of this is what you trained for. Tutorials told you how to center a div, not how to survive office politics. LeetCode trained you to rotate arrays in O log n, not how to debug a flaky pipeline 5 minutes before production deploy. So most engineers don't fail because they can't code. They fail because they thought coding was the whole job. It's not. The job is 20% code, 80% staying calm while everything around you is on fire. The truth is, every great engineer you know has gone through this exact mess. The only difference? Some quit, some endure, and the ones who stick it out? They realize that writing code is easy, but writing code while juggling burnout, bugs, and broken builds, that's the real skill. So if you feel like you're failing, you're not. You're just playing the actual game nobody told you about.